In this video, I will show you how to get paid $500 per day to watch YouTube videos, which is a new strategy to make money online and earn free PayPal money for just watching simple and short videos in 2022. Now, how does it work? We are all about to find out. And if you follow this video until the end, I will teach you how to set up this absolutely for free. In that way, you will earn a lot of money without doing the hard work yourself. Now, before we start, if you end up getting value out of this video, consider subscribing with notification on. It's free. And you can always change your mind later, and that way I will notify you whenever I have a new and fresh strategy to make money online. So you can be one of those first to use it, thus of course make the most money. So it's a brand new website that will pay you just to watch YouTube videos. Signing up to this website is absolutely free. They even have an app, so you can do this even with your smartphone devices, and all you have to do is just click view. Watch the video and collect your earnings. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, bank transfer, and some other payment options are also available. Now the main reason I want to share this with you today is because I feel like we are all spending way too much time watching YouTube videos. I don't know, but I personally spend hours a day entertaining myself through YouTube. And obviously I often feel bad because I have a feeling as if I was wasting my time, and that's why I went out there. I spent countless hours researching the web, and I came across some of the best platforms that we never talked about before. They will pay you for just watching those YouTube videos. So now you will not have to feel bad for spending hours a day watching funny YouTube videos, because you will actually get paid for doing that. But before we start this tutorial, make sure to drop a like button if you love making money online, and let's see if we can get 1000 likes in this video. Now scroll down below and tap the like button until it turns blue. Alright, so today we will be using 3 different absolutely free platforms in order to make money just by watching YouTube videos. So stay tuned until the end and I will tell you which one I personally prefer and which one pays the most amount of money. We never talked about any of these platforms and you are just going to love them. This is the first one. This website is called Zacklamy.com. You can either come over to Google Play Store and search for this app and then install it to your smartphone devices, or if you are using desktop like me, just go straight to this website. And yes, you heard it right, it's available for both smartphone and computers, and with this website you can actually get paid for doing a lot of different stuff which you normally do every single day. I'm going to show you that in a minute, but as you can see, you can make money online either with your smartphone, computer or tablet and get paid whenever or wherever without investment. It means that's all absolutely free, and they also have their app which you can install to your smartphone devices and make money even with just your phone. Now on this page they will be explaining you a little bit more about their website, working stuffs and etc. But all you need to do is, once you come over to this website or once you install the app, just click on the registration button over here and that will take you to over to this page. You can create a free brand new account by either signing up with Google or Microsoft account or by manually entering your email address and creating a password. And the thing is that this website is available worldwide, so they will pay you no matter where you are in the world, but you will need to check if it does work in your country or not. Now once you create an absolutely free account on this website, this is how it's going to look like. This is the dashboard where we can track your earnings and track your balance. You can see how much money you made today, how much money you made yesterday, how much money you made in the past 7 days and in the past month, and then of course the overall total on how much money you made with this website. And on the left hand side you will be able to click on earn section over here. Click on that and that will take you to over to this page where you can select how you want to get paid. You can get paid to browse website, watch videos and watch ads, and that's really a good way to make money online, and it does not require a lot of work from your side. It just requires a one click of button. You can just click on watch videos or you can click on view ads, completing offers, and you can do something else while you are earning rising on this website. And you can also get paid to leave engagement on social media, and by that you can make money by following people on Instagram. You can get paid to like their post, to like YouTube videos, to watch watch YouTube videos, to leave a comment on it, and so on so forth. As you can see, they even have a special section where you can write comments and write reviews and also get paid for that. You can also fill out surveys and much more. Now I don't really recommend you to go with the filling out surveys and writing reviews because that takes a lot of time and effort. It will obviously pay you a lot of money, but on the other hand it requires a lot of time and effort. I would rather focus on only browsing website and videos and ads and leaving engagement on social media. So you can click on the earn button right here below leave engagement on social media section, and then that will take you over to this page where you can select exactly how you want to get paid. Then what you want to do is get paid. Let me show you how you will get paid to watch YouTube videos. As you can see, the first section that pops up is YouTube. So you can click on YouTube views over here, and that will take you over to this page where you can watch different videos, and those videos are not boring. You can actually get paid to watch something entertaining and useful videos from which you will learn something, and at the same time you will get paid for watching it. For example, you can watch this video. You can just click on the earn button and that will take you over to the second page. Let it just load, and then it will start playing some random YouTube videos which you will need to watch. Of course, you don't actually need to spend time watching the videos. You can just let it play through, and you can maybe focus on something else and doing something and open up these videos in different tabs to maximize your results, and you will still get paid. And that's why I love this website. It's kind of like passive income. You're not actively doing anything. You just click on the play button and then you can do something else, and then you will be able to come back and collect your earnings. So you can go through all of those videos, watch them until the end, and then get paid again and again. Each time you watch the video, your earnings on this dashboard will updated and you will be able to see it. It's not paying a lot, but it will quickly add up, and I mean it's super easy. The more you click on the videos, the more you watch them, and the more money you will be able to make. Of course, depending on the country you are coming from, you will get paid either less or more per video you watch. If you are coming from the top tier country, you will get paid a lot more for watching those videos. If you are coming from the country where the economy is not that great, then you will be get paid for a little bit less. But don't worry, it will quickly add up and you will be able to withdraw your money. Now to sum up, to maximize your results with this website, you can do all sorts of things. They will pay sometimes even more money. Under the live engagement on social media section, you can make money by viewing YouTube videos. You may also leave subscription on YouTube channels like YouTube videos, leave Instagram followers, likes, and watch Instagram videos. And you have all of these social media platforms on which you can leave engagements and get paid for doing that. It's absolutely free and easy and simple. It's really a great website and app from which you can make a decent amount of money. And the great thing about this app that not a lot of people know about this. So I highly recommend you jump on it before it becomes oversaturated. Once again, that is zairclammy.com, or just directly go on their apps and you can sign up for absolutely free and get paid to watch YouTube videos and do all of those sort of things on social media. The second website which I wanted you to share with you today is called timebucks.com. It's a really great website because it will pay you for something really unique stuff. Like it's going to pay you to post stuffs on TikTok, view funny slideshows, play games, install apps, and witness. But they also do have an option for you to get paid just for watching videos. And I really love it because they have daily bonuses. Each time you log into your account every single day, they will give you some absolutely free bonuses. And yes, you can start earning instantly, which means you don't have to wait around for weeks to get accepted into something. You can sign up today and still you're able to earn money, which you can then spend on whatever you want to. So just come over to timebucks.com. You can either sign up with Facebook, which is a lot easier or faster because it requires just one click of button, or you can do is by entering your email address manually and by creating your password. And once you create an account, just log in. This is a brand new account and you can see people from all over the world are making money. Like every few minutes people are being paid with this website. You have people from India and Philippines that are making money every single day, and people from all over the world are using this website because absolutely free. And it's really easy. You can just go to the earn section over here. You can complete different surveys, different tasks. You can also get paid for watching videos under the offer walls and task sections. Once again, this is just over to the timebucks.com, sign up for absolutely free and get paid without investing any money. Third and the last website that I want you to share with you today is called quickrewards.net. This one is also going to pay you for different stuff. It's not as unique as the previous two websites, but it's still really nice and will pay you decent money. So you can complete different surveys, which is also something that I don't recommend. It requires a lot of time and effort, which is not worth it. You can play the game because it's just easy. I mean, it's something that we probably do every single day. I don't know if you play games every single day, but I do. I sometimes likes to unwind, so I just play some games on my phone, and now I actually get paid for doing that. It's not going to be a lot of money, but still a couple of dollars here and there for having fun on my phone is always welcome anytime a day. Now you can also watch these videos. Of course, it's getting something that we came for, and we will talk about this in a minute. Then you can also complete different offers and you can get cashback if you shop online, which are also great. Now they've been online for a while. In fact, they will be online for almost 2 decades, and the reason why I really love this website, I highly recommend you, it is because the minimum to redeem or withdrawal limit is just 1 penny. Yes, you heard right, just 1 cent. You don't have to wait until you have couple of $1,000 or whatsoever, but as soon as you start making money, you can instantly cash out, instantly withdraw your money. You can withdraw your money through PayPal, Amazon gift cards, or free in-store gift cards to nearly 50 national retailers. Now of course, I guess that most of you guys will go for PayPal because you can then spend that money on whatever you want to, but in case PayPal is not available in your country, don't worry, because as you can see, you can get some gift card which you can spend on something, which you can spend on some of these retailers. Now to get started with quickrewards.net, you just need to come over to their official website and then click on create account, and you can just sign up for absolutely free. After that, you can go to the watch video section and then start watching videos and collect your earnings again and again. Now let's summarize this. 3 websites where you can get paid are zacklamy.com, timebucks.com and quickrewards.net. And now if you want to earn even more money, check the first link at the description down below to discover the best way to earn $500 per day for just watching videos, which is a new strategy to make money online in 2022, which anyone even without previous experience can do that. And yes, it's possible, and I show you exactly how to do that in that video right there. Thank you for watching this video, and be sure to drop a like button and subscribe with notification on so you don't miss any out of this video and new content strategy to make money online. Now I will see you in the next video.